Development of drone for the fertilizer sprayer. For normal agriculture, we have to use for the fertilizer spray. For that, we have used this kind of drone. This is very mini drone. So in the bottom of side, we are planning to implement for the fertilizer tank and as well as sprayer nozzle also. So this is for completely operated with 2.4 gigahertz of radio frequency control. This further technical aspect explained with Mr. Karthik.
So here we are used a flight controller K2.1. This is a flight controller, and then we use an RF receiver. This is a 2.4 gigahertz receiver. From the transmitter we get the key point from the receiver. Then flight controller will accordingly from the pitch angle it may rotate. So here we use BLDC motor 1000 kV. So from the BLDC motor, the speed can be controlled using ESC, electronic speed controller. This part is connected with the main controller. This is a flight K2.1 main controller. For fertilizer spraying, we used Arduino Nano. From this Nano, the pump is switching on and off.
We will show the demonstration how the drone going to be worked.